This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This, if you love cool items, stick around for a mo, is undoubtedly super practical for everyday use. Stop scrolling right now. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that it feels incredibly high quality. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere. The product link is waiting for you right inside the video description. Check it out before it's completely gone. Product link, product_link_ placeholder. This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This, if you love cool items, stick around for a mo, is undoubtedly